Can you actually get rich selling Hot Wheels cars? Well, the answer is technically yes, but also no. And in this video, I'm going to explain why. So hello everyone, and welcome back to another Hot Wheels collector video. Today we are talking about can you actually get rich from Hot Wheels, and it's a big debate, it's a big discussion, and today I'm going to put my input forward for you to hear. So some Hot Wheels cars do actually sell for hundreds or even thousands, but most collectors actually never make serious money when actually coming to resell. Some collectors, like Bruce Pascal, have collections over $1 million in value, and if he was to sell them, I'm pretty sure it's fair to say he would be pretty rich if he did that. And that's because he's got limited edition cars which are over 50-year-old, very, rare, desirable models, and hence they are worth a lot of money to other collectors, and if he was to sell them, he'd make a lot of money. Now then, the short answer to this question, as I've kind of alluded to, is absolutely. You can make money from selling Hot Wheels, and people do. There are shops that exist, such as Modelmatic here in the UK, and also individual sellers on platforms like eBay and whatnot, who sell loads of Hot Wheels cars and make plenty of money doing so. So it's definitely a way you can make money. But can you become rich? Well, for the vast majority of people, probably not. It's pretty ambitious to say that. Sure, you can make some extra money on the side, and you could use that to sort of fund your own collection. So you could sell a car, use the profits to buy a car that you actually want to keep for your collection. But it's not going to make you rich quickly. A lot of the time, you might have to sit on a car for a long time, hold it in your collection for a long time before selling at a higher price. It takes a lot of time. It is not a get money quick scheme, basically. So how do people actually make money then? Since I've said you can make money, how do you do that? Well, there's a number of different ways. The first way is treasure hunts and super treasure hunts in the Hot Wheels mainline. These are basically a much more limited edition version of regular Hot Wheels cars, and they come with special bonuses. So the regular treasure hunts are basically just a special release of that casting. They look totally different to any other releases that have come before it. Super treasure hunts are basically a special version of an already existing model. They will come with Spectraflame paint, which is very vibrant, bright and glittery, and they'll also have rubber tyres. Those are the main differences. If you want a full video on how to find both of those, I will leave it linked in the description, where I go through all the different sort of rare cars and how to find them. But yeah, those can make you serious money. Super treasure hunts, you can buy them in the shop for $1, and you can flip them for easily 50 times that, so about $50 on platforms like eBay. And that is instant. You can sell them straight away for that. So it is a really good way to make money fast. Treasure hunts, on the other hand, usually sell for about 5 times that, so they might sell for about $5, and you can pick them up at retail for $1. So again, you can make some money there too, just not quite as much as super treasure hunts. There's also premium chase cars. These are basically, again, more desirable versions of regular cars. They come with a different paint job usually. They look totally different to the normal release. So the normal release might be red and the chase one might be black. They look totally different. They are very limited in numbers, and hence supply is less than demand, so those prices are usually quite high. Usually you'll buy these, at least here in the UK, for about £10, which is probably around $10, and you can flip those for about $50 or £50, or maybe sometimes even more if it's a desirable model. So again, you can make some serious money there, and again, that is very quick. You can do that basically as soon as you get home from the store. You can get that money basically, and they will sell pretty fast as well because they are a rare car that a lot of people want to add to their collection. And finally, there are just desirable models in general. These can be mainlines or premiums or anything really. And a lot of the time these fit into desirable car brands, so they'll be real life car brands like Porsche, Ferrari, lots of Japanese cars like Hondas and Toyotas will go up in value a lot, Lamborghinis, and generally any new casting. So a first edition of a casting usually is worth a bit more than any future releases in terms of like a normal model. So yeah, that is definitely a decent way to make some money. Usually you might make, say, $5 on a $1 car there. So again, if you did that quite a few times, you can make some money. But again, is it going to make you rich? Probably not. There's also older collections, which I want to mention as well. So these can be things like vintage Redlines and other old models. Again, this is because as Hot Wheels cars get older, less people actually hold on to them. A lot of them get put in bins or trash cans and just get chucked out. People get rid of them over time, and as a result they become rarer, and the people who do want to buy them will pay more money. So again, you can make money on those older cars. So if you sit on a car, basically if you hold it in your collection for a long time and then sell it, say in 10 years time, you'll probably make a decent amount of money, and that's a pretty safe way to do it. But again, it takes time and it takes effort, and again, it's not going to make you rich quick. Now, it's time for a bit of a reality check. So basically, for every car that's worth like £50 or $50, a lot of them are going to sell for about £1 to £3 or dollars. So they're not going to be really worth anything. It's going to take you quite a bit of time to find the rare and valuable ones, and doing so can cost quite a lot of money in terms of petrol, you know, moving between the stores and looking through all the stuff. It takes a lot of time and money. So sometimes it's just not worth it unless you're actually looking for something for yourself and you stumble across these cars which are worth a bit of money, and then it can be worth picking them up and selling them online. Storage also can cost money, which is another factor to consider. And selling also takes a lot of time and effort. You're probably going to have to buy things like boxes and bubble wrap to make sure they are secure in transport. So again, all of this stuff needs to be factored in. And again, this will reduce your profits. So again, is it going to make you rich? Probably not. There's also the ethical discussion, which I want to have as well, around scalping. Now, a lot of people have issues with scalpers, which is basically people who buy a lot of a car just to sell it for profit, basically. And this is becoming quite a big problem in the Hot Wheels community. A lot of people are doing it, and it does frustrate genuine collectors because it stops them and also children from actually getting the cars that they want. So there is definitely an ethical issue with this as well. And I think it's safe to say you should not just buy all of the rare cars. You should definitely leave some for somebody else as well. We all need to be really considerate and think about each other whilst collecting as well. Because would you like it if somebody took all the cars you wanted? Probably not. Of course, there's nothing wrong with occasionally selling duplicates or unwanted cars to make some money, but I think a lot of collectors and resellers do take this a little bit too far, and they will literally buy all of the cars on the shelf and then will sell them, just leaving behind the ones which are worth nothing. It's really frustrating when you see that. It takes a long time for them to sell, and it stops people from getting the cars that they actually want for their collection and forces them to pay really high prices, which is obviously quite immoral. So that's really the rundown. Can you get rich? Yes. Are you probably going to get rich though? No. Realistically, it's just a little bit of extra money on the side. It might fund you to be able to buy some more cars that you want to add to your collection, but I don't think it's really going to replace your job, and I don't think it's going to make you a millionaire overnight, unless you did this on an extremely large scale, like some businesses have done, but it's very hard to do. So realistically, probably not. It's probably not going to make you rich. And as I say, collect the Hot Wheels you like. Make that your number one focus. We're all collectors here. We all want to have a nice collection full of cars that we all love. So please do put that first, and always remember that is the most important thing. You being happy is why we're all collecting. You need to make sure you're happy first, and then think about maybe making some profit as a bonus. But if you're not happy, there's no point in doing it. You may as well make money doing something that you love. And as for a final wrap up for this video, if your main goal is looking to become rich, there's far better investments. If your goal is to have fun, this can definitely be a way to make some money for yourself. And yeah, that's really it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on if you think you can get rich from selling Hot Wheels. I'd love to hear your experiences, your opinions. I will be reading and responding to all of your comments. But yeah, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.